We have some small work to do here. So this is behind the trim molding. It was just showing that part only, like you won't really see. So I removed it. Look what happened. All right. So we gotta try to fix this before it get worse. I hope that it's not. Oh shoot! It's through. Man, that's the worst part. I was hoping that's still solid. Oh man. So the best thing is maybe if you have to replace the door. That is the best part. To replace this door. Yeah, instead of repairing this one. Alright, so what you're gonna do, we're just gonna repair it for now. And we'll go from there. So what we're gonna do for now is we have to cut this out, the rotten out. And yeah, so this is not an easy fix. I was thinking of easy fix. All right, so this is where we are right now. So I already cut a plate. I use like thin one. This is probably 24, so it's much easier to bend it. So the car is normally what the thickness 22, so this is probably 26 probably. So anyhow, so what I'm trying to do here now, so I'm putting the backing plate behind instead of outside, and to hold in place I just pushed in like a newspaper like that. All right, so if we need to pre-drill them. So in order to pre-drill them, like you need to hold this plate in places. Alright, so I'm using the what's this, 1/8? Yeah, this is 1/8. This is the aluminum one. So also 1/8. All right, so let's prepare this one. One done. So we'll just do it one at a time. Hey. Oop. That's nice. Huh? Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh, nice seats.
Yes.
Hmm.
Good job.
Yeah. So now we're done. Now, now I will do the body work. Yeah.
The paint?
Yeah. After
The paint.
paint. So right now, what I'm gonna do, we need to flatten those rivets. Not really flatten, but just to push it in a little bit. You need this. All right, so now it's time to do the body filler. Okay, so as you can see, right, it's been spray painted with the black paint, but those are not a primer. Those were the what do you call that one again? It's the um, rust conversion paint. So I apply like a rust conversion paint. It's not a primer. All right, so this is where we are right now. Um, so I can now put it back this one. But before we go ahead, I need to see the inside there. See the back plate that we just put it on. I need to spray it with the with this rocker guard. All right. All right. Okay, that's good right there. All right, so let's put it back the door panel. All right, so that's it. All right, so right now we're gonna do a little bit sanding. So I'm using 400. It's actually 100. I'm using wood. I like to use this because we're trying to mimic that one. So you want something harder. Okay. All right, I have a better one. I found found from my box. So this is better. At least I can hold it properly. So now after this one, see, can you see those? We're just gonna touch it up, and then we'll sand it again. All right, so right now we're still gonna do a touch up. All right, so we managed to sand it down, the roughness. So right now there's still some touch up that we have to do. So everything looks good now. It's just minor. All right, so this. All right, so this is our final touch up. So now we're good to go. So we're just gonna start sanding again. Right now we're gonna sand it out with the this is like 320, and then after that 600. First I was like sanding 80, 120, then now 320. So right now I'm sanding it with the 600 grit. All right. I think that looks good. All right, so now we had just had it primer. So now we're just gonna sand it out with the best is like spray with water. Yeah. So most likely what we're sanding is this one. or the tape, right? Best is if I'm using 600 or use 1000. Okay, let's rate it. We're gonna let it dry, then we'll paint. All right, so right now it's ready to paint. We'll just wait for a few minutes and then we'll do second coat. All right, so let's do second coat. Okay, right now we can remove it so now I can touch. And then that's how it is right now. So when it's fully dry, we'll send it out again with this one with 1000 to, yeah, 1000, and then click code, and then same thing. Well, we'll see when we get there. All right, so now after like a week, now we can sand it out. See that? This is where the tape, the masking tape ends. So now we're gonna be using 1000 grit. All right, so we gotta wet it. There you go. I'm using a small foam pad. Sand it out until you won't feel the line. Almost there. All right, so now it's all good. Now it's ready to click on. All right, as you can see, like white, look like faded gray, dark gray. The other thing too is the paint that I use in here is not exact 100% match, right? So that's why you could see. All right, so right now we're gonna do clear coating. So make sure to wipe it off, all dust. And this one too. Took me so long to set it up. All right, second coat. All right, that's good for now. All right, so this is it right now. So you can see the difference because this one is not originally I didn't get the exact from this one, so I just went ahead because it's just a small spot anyhow. Okay, so for this one here you won't really notice it, you know why? Because it's right behind, right under here, right? It's really hard to, I don't know what's the difference. It's hard to see it, the difference. See that? That's the fresh one, and that was the original one. But in here you can see. But the best thing is, if you want to do this, something like this, if it is a tiny one only, yeah, it's I recommend to do it this way. But if it is, if you have this much, it's might as well like paint the whole thing. So what I was doing here is only like to show like how I do like repair parts like that, and to do some touch-up painting, right? But like again, I did this purposely. I was just only use the paint that I have in here, and I didn't really buy the one that exact that comes with this one. All right, so that's it for today, and until next time, we'll see you guys back here again.